Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Saturday, we're on Saturday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. May 4th, 2019. I want to talk and I want to show you. This is the combine that I passed. This is the combine, and I want to go over some of the details here. And I don't know how you trade, and frankly, if you have a great trading system, then you're either watching me for entertainment or whatever. But if you're watching this video and you don't have a trading plan and you don't know what you're doing and you could use a little bit of help, well, maybe I can be that person that gets you if nothing else, a step further down the road. Now, I do have a course, and let me be frankly honest, the video purpose is to get you to spend $97 with me. So if that offends you, click off now. All right? So I warned you. The average, this is my past combine. The average win to average loss, you can see right here, 124 to 75. You see my winning trade percentage, 58%. And you can see what I'm most proud of is the average win to loss time. It's the duration. My average win, I'm in for about 17 minutes and so forth, and my average loss is held for about 4 minutes. So what that's telling me, hopefully, it's hopefully telling you too, that I'm trying, and when I do my best, I follow my rules, cut my losses short, let my profits run, take profits on the ride. So what that should be telling you is that I'm letting my profits run, so I'm holding an average win for 17 minutes and I'm getting out and exiting my losing and exiting a trade. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is I'm following my trading rules. Now, we could have an argument about um, all kinds of things, but when I'm trading in the zone, this is the kind of trading that I do. I'm when I take my signals, when I hold the right trade, when I do all the things that I need to be doing, then this is the kind of stuff that I'm capable of. And as you can see, $2,025, average winning day, average losing day. Look at down here, and you see the average winning day percent. So 86% winning. So that means that, for basically every 5 days, I'm winning roughly what, 4 out of those 5 days that I'm trading. And so there is losing days in my trading. And that's my greatest weakness, to be completely honest. My greatest weakness is when I handle a losing day, because I have a history of, unfortunately, going to max daily loss sometimes. And when I'm in control, and you can see that I got pretty close to max daily loss, even in this funded account, $442.20. Now, once I did that one time, I stopped myself. If you would look back at this particular combine, this was my worst trading day, and I ended up being able to come back. Now, you can see my best day outweighed my worst day, and that happens more times than not. My best trading day will be a lot greater than my worst day, and that's what I mean by, and obviously you see all the green check marks. So this is the last combine that I passed, and now I'm in FTP. So I'm in step 2, and I have reset. So let's be completely honest about that. I've reset, and it's not something I'm extremely happy about, but I allowed, well, anyway, it's all my fault. When I'm not trading on top of my game, things happen, right? So this is my course that I have, and this is going to link up. If you watch this on YouTube, down below there's a link to click, which it says announcing my CL Power course, and right here up in that top corner, right, there's I that you can click and go read. Now, if you just want to go to the course details, go scroll all the way to the bottom, click that link. It'll guide you. Now, my video there will say $57. I haven't updated that because I'm going to update that. Once I get into funded, the course will be 197. Right now, it's only 97 bucks. So I just wanted to make that detail out there. You'll talk about $57, but also if you watched me, $57 is when I was in the combine. Now I'm at 97 bucks. because I'm in FTP, and I will get to funded. So I use the Combine and FTP to practice for my funded account. I just look at it as complete practicing. What I've been doing recently, if you watched me and you've been watching my content, I've been working on my long strategy to the detriment of my strength. My strength is my short side trading. So in the game of chess, right? Do you like to play white? Do you like to play black? What's your opening move? Well, my best trading that I do is when I'm on the short side. And one of the trading days that I'm kicking myself over was when I was trying to go long, when if you watch back in my video, going long below S2. I mean, that was just stupid stuff that I was concentrating. What that told me is I had concentrated so hard on one particular side of the market that I ignored the other side. So now I'm getting back to doing the things. So what this means to you is that you're going to see some of, I believe, some of my best trading in the rest of May. So take that for what it's worth. Anyway, so this is my course, and you can read this, and you'll go through it. Now, get access to Demio. Make sure you have a TST account. The 89 tick chart that I use, and it's set up 5-minute, 1-hour chart, and so forth. Every day that I am trading, which we're going to go through a lot of details here, if you do take the course, you can go back, and I'm telling you, there's probably 30 to 40 hours worth of material out here that I've put together over this. There's probably closer to 50 hours worth of information that you're getting for 97 bucks. So, so this is just one day, March 18th. The how-to, the important plus trading. It's just basically how to get started. My email address and so forth and so on. Where to get in contact with me, and so and if you need me to do things for you. So I mean, here's another one, March 22nd, hitting Gann's magic number, the golden ratio. So we talk about the Gann number, the golden ratio. We talk about some trading. So there's 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 34. So that's about an hour's worth of information just on March 22nd alone. If you go down here towards the end, where I do pass April 11th, finally passing TopStepTrader Combine. And when we talk about that day, and we talk about how that all went back, and so there's an hour and 3 minutes here where I share a lot of information, and 48 minutes. So right there is about almost 2 hours worth of information on trading. And maybe the thing you'll get the most out of is how to psychologically, the key component of your trading strategy might be your psychological makeup. How you get from point A to point B. That might be where my strength comes in for you. Maybe you don't like trading the crude oil market, but there's more to it than just trading a market. There's a lot of information that you're going to absorb through this course that you're going to get in. Maybe you don't want to get inside of my mind, and I don't like being inside my mind sometimes, but as far as my trading information, it's sound. There's a lot of good stuff that I know that's definitely worth less than 100 bucks. So this is my FTP. This is FTP right now, and this is why it's $97, because I've already made it for my first goal. I've went from Combine to FTP. This is where I'm trading currently at TopStepTrader. Coming back from a trading loss with patience. So have you ever had a trading loss and you think, well, should I take that next trade? Well, here is some information here with a lot of stuff going on about how you can come back from a trading loss. There is, and that can be applied to any market, correct? Big up move happens on news from Trump. So this comes in and we talk about sell the news still holds. So today we talk about selling the news. So here's a big little thing that I did for about 59 minutes, and we talk about the news, Iran, and so forth and so on. So I'm giving you nuggets of information throughout this course. And there's a lot of, I think, what am I up to now? Chapter related and lesson related. I think there shows something here where So we have, right now we currently have 3 modules, 6 chapters, and it looks like 38 lessons. So um, there's a lot of information out here for you to absorb, and all for less than $100. So that's my spiel. That's my talk today. Um, Hopefully it makes sense to you. I'd love to see you part of it, of the room itself. Part of the thing is the Demio room. Now, obviously, I have some issues with the Demio service that I'm working on. They're talking about packet loss. We might not be at Demio in the near future. We might be at somewhere else. So if you, but part of the access is the free live trading room that I'm running right now. So um, one caveat to that is it's my trading room. So if you're coming in to the room to share your trading ideas, there's a time and place for that, but not while I'm live trading. So we always take, I always take time to answer questions either before the market or after I'm done trading. So there's a time and place, you know, to share your particular concerns and ideas and so forth and so on. All right, that's about it. 11 minutes and about 20 seconds. Thank you for watching. Once again, look at the link below. Look at the link up there. Click that, and if you want to get in this course, just go scroll on that blog post, scroll to the bottom, click that link, and once again, complete honesty and transparency. It is $97. It's a one-time investment. There's no recurring charges. If I have recurring charges, they'll be after I'm in funded accounts. So think about it being a grandfather. The grandfathered in at the lowest price possible because you're watching me prior to me get to funded. Yes, I will be in funded, and yes, I will stay in funded once I get there. The only thing, the one video that I'm working on that I'll probably put out within this week or next week is my greatest weakness. My greatest weakness right now, believe it or not, is just the $500 loss limit, the max daily loss at TopStepTrader, and allowing my pride to get in the way. If you cut through all the BS of all the money I've made since I restarted, and now that I'm back at this, I'm still positive. In fact, when I figured out the numbers, I'm close to $1,000 positive. Even after all the resets and all the stuff that I'm doing, I still have made more money than I've lost inside TopStepTrader, even taking into account. So most likely what most people who have learned something from me and what they've gleaned the most from, if they've picked up nuggets of information that they didn't know before, applied that to their own trading, and then became better traders. And in fact, I hate to even admit this sometimes, but I've got friends that I consider traders right now that I've taught that are much better traders than I ever dreamed to be. And I want that for you too. I want you to become even better than me. I mean, I love it when you kick me in the butt sometimes and tell me how good of a trader you are. Yeah, sometimes it pisses me off, and I go, but otherwise, you know, but when I'm proud of the people that I've been able to help along the way over this journey that I've been in, and I've given them a nugget, I've given them just maybe one small little thing that turned their account and trading around. Maybe that's what I am for you as well. All right, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. All of us need to take a step back and a step forward. Sometimes taking a step back so that you can move 2 steps forward is all that you need. So I hope, if nothing else, maybe I am that one step that you need to get to that next level, right? All right, see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.